Hi everyone, today we are going to be drawing on some pebbles using Ohuhu Acrylic Markers. Ohuhu has kindly sent me not one but two sets of acrylic markers. Both of them have brush tip and these ones also have fine tip, which is great for adding details. Not to mention the beautiful packaging, it's so lovely and it'd be great for traveling and on the go. Here we have the fine nib, and then we've also got the brush tip as well, which is great. This set has 36 colours and this other set has 24 colours. They are a super sleek design, really pretty. They have colour codes as well, so if you want to take down the colour so you know what colour to use next time, you can. A beautiful brush tip, and these ones are better when you shake them before you use them to get the best out of your colour. Onto materials, you're going to need a pencil, a paintbrush, and also your rocks. These rocks are just ones I've found in my backyard. The first step is to sketch your design. I am using a white pencil as it is easier to see on the dark rock, but you can use whatever you have, it doesn't matter. So the next step will be colour blocking. Don't forget to shake your pens as well before you use them. So now I'm just blocking in the main colours for the background of my images. I'm just colouring in the jellyfish. That way later on I can add in the details with the other pens and also add some highlights with the white pen as well. So for this wave, we're going to use the three blue colours. So B210, BG85 and B719. We're going to use B210 to colour in the edges of the wave. And then we're going to use the BG85 in the centre to create a gradient. And once this gradient has been made, we're going to incorporate the dry paintbrush that will help us blend the two colours together. Once I've added the base, I'm just adding a little bit more to the edges that I've missed and adding some highlights with the lighter blue. Now I'm coming in with the B719 and I'm going to add some darker blue, that way we add some depth to our wave. We're going to again use the paintbrush to blend it all together. Now we're going to add a little yellow sun and some other details to the other rocks. Now for the little sun, we're going to use Y71 for the outside, and then we're going to go inside and use Y05. After this step, we're going to get the paintbrush again and we're going to blend it out. Now I'm going to add some more details to the other rocks as well. And don't forget to use the white pen to add some highlights, some bubbles, some water. You can never go wrong with adding some white to an artwork. We're going to add some whitewash to the wave using the white brush tip nib as well. So I'm going to spray my rocks with some satin clear coat, but this is optional, you don't have to do this. And there we have it, the cutest little DIY rock collection that we can place anywhere we like, in our garden, in our room, use as paperweights, anything. Thanks to Ohuhu for making this possible.